If you're looking for ways to make money from TikTok in 2021, then you'll want to watch our video. We'll show you how to use the platform to your advantage and make money from your content. TikTok is one of the hottest social media platforms around, and it's only getting bigger. With over 800 million active users, there's a lot of potential for making money on the platform. However, it's not as easy as just posting videos and hoping for the best. You need to have a strategy for how you're going to make money from TikTok. Our video will show you how to create content that people will want to watch and how to use TikTok's features to your advantage. We'll also give you some tips on how to monetize your content and make money from your TikTok account. After watching our video, you'll know how to make money from TikTok in 2022. So don't wait. Watch our video now. As the popularity of TikTok continues to grow, so does the opportunity to make money from the platform. There are a number of ways to make money on TikTok. Get paid through TikTok's Creator Fund. One of the easiest ways to make money on TikTok is to sign up for TikTok's Creator Fund. The Creator Fund is a pot of money that TikTok uses to pay its most popular creators. To be eligible for the Creator Fund, you need to have at least 10,000 followers and meet TikTok's other eligibility criteria. Once you're accepted into the fund, you'll start earning money for every 1,000 views your videos get. Receive donations for your live streams. Another way to make money on TikTok is to receive donations from your fans during live streams. To do this, you need to set up a donation link in your bio and promote it during your live streams. Your fans can then donate money to you through the link. The amount of money you can make from donations will depend on how many fans donate and how much they donate. Partner with sponsors and brands. If you have a large following on TikTok, you can also make money by partnering with sponsors and brands. Companies are always looking for influencers to promote their products. And if you have a sizable audience, you can charge a decent fee for product placements and sponsored posts. Manage influencers. Another way to make money from TikTok is to manage other influencers. If you're good at promoting content and helping other people grow their audiences, you can offer your services to other TikTok users. This can be a great way to earn a commission on the success of other influencers. One way to make money from TikTok is to grow and sell TikTok accounts. This can be a lucrative business if you know how to grow an account quickly and organically. There are a few different methods you can use to grow TikTok accounts, so find the one that works best for you and stick with it. Once you've built up a large following, you can start selling your accounts for a profit. Another way to make money from TikTok is to publish sponsored posts. This is a great way to monetize your account if you have a large following. You can charge brands a fee to post sponsored content on your account, and you can also include affiliate links in your posts to earn commission on sales. If you're looking to start a business in the TikTok space, you could also start a TikTok talent management agency. This type of business would help brands connect with popular TikTok creators and pay them to promote their products or services. This is a great way to make money if you have a good network of TikTok creators. It's no secret that you can make some serious money on TikTok. But how much can you actually earn? This all depends on your engagement rate and the number of followers you have. The more followers you have and the higher your engagement rate, the more money you can make. For example, 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐞 has 28 million followers and a 0.75% engagement rate. This means he could be making up to huge per post. On the other hand, if you're just starting out and you're not quite at the influencer level yet, your earnings will be lower. 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐞, for example, has 112,900 followers and a 3.07% engagement rate. He's estimated to make up to $114 per post. It's important to keep in mind that your earnings will vary depending on which monetization strategy you use and how you go about implementing it. So if you're looking to make some serious money on TikTok, make sure you've got a strong, engaged following, and then start brainstorming ways to monetize your account. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.